it's Tammy from Tammy's Garage. I've got here a Citroen dispatch van 2015 and it has a fault code of brake pedal switch fault, consistency with the pressure sensor. This fault, C0040, is common across the Peugeot and Citroen brands and it's commonly misdiagnosed as the actual brake pedal switch. When you press the brake pedal, the switch on the brake pedal tells the ABS pump that the brake pedal is being pressed. What's also happening is the ABS is measuring the pressure on the brake pads, and it's the consistency between the two that it's causing the fault. To properly diagnose this, we just need to look at live data. What I have here is no foot on the brake pedal, stop lamp switch says released, secondary stop lamp switch also says released. If I press the brake pedal slowly, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Stop lamp switch says press, secondary stop lamp switch says released, press it a bit harder, secondary stop lamp goes to pressed. What it does say is that the braking pressure is at 248 bar, which I can tell you it isn't. I'm just being quite feather light, and that's like I'm going, oh! What this tells me is that it is the pressure sensor inside the ABS. It's not a serviceable part, so we do have to replace the whole ABS block. So, fix on this, replace the ABS pumps and bleed the brakes.
Okay, so the ABS pump's been fixed.
The brakes have been bled and now this is all working as it should be. Come have a look. So now when I press the brake pedal, you can see that we get press and then this bit here just goes up nice and gradually, and at no point, it's like I'm pressing really hard now and at no point is that saying 200. And off. Ta-da! So that's it done. Thank you for watching Tammy's Garage. Like, subscribe and come back soon.